Vivo X90 Pro Plus is a robust performer that gets a premium display, backed by considerable internal storage space and an amazing camera setup. Moreover, you can also depend on the smartphone to perform fluid multitasking and play graphic-intensive games smoothly. About display and camera. Vivo X90 Pro Plus packs a large 6.78 inches AMOLED display that is bezel-less. It is a multi-touch display that offers a high resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a pixel density of 518 pixels per inch. In the case of the Vivo X90 Pro Plus S camera system, the smartphone is equipped with a quad-lens camera pack for amazing photography as a professional. It includes a 50 megapixels main shooter, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide-angle shooter, a 50 megapixels telephoto camera and a 64 megapixels camera. Turning to the front, the device is installed with a powerful 32 megapixels camera. Know about configuration and battery. Vivo X90 Pro Plus runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is also backed by a 12GB RAM and an octa-core Cortex-A715, Cortex-A510 and Cortex-X3 processor. Furthermore, the smartphone will also enable users to play high-graphic video games with the help of its Adreno 740 GPU. A huge 4700 mAh battery is available inside the Vivo X90 Pro Plus, which is Li-polymer bi-type. It is a non-removable battery that also supports 80W fast charging mechanism. About storage and connectivity. As for storage, the Vivo X90 Pro Plus sports 256GB of internal space where users can store lots of files and apps. The option of expansion is not available in this device. As connection options, the smartphone includes 5G and 4G Volt network compatibility, along with a GPS, Bluetooth V5.2, NFC, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi and USB Type-C.